Can AI really measure your blood pressure without a cuff? Look, just give me a few seconds of your minute and listen to this, okay? Imagine this. You are sitting at your desk without a BP cuff, no BP machine, just your smartwatch and quietly checking your blood pressure in the background. Is that technology really safe? Then, all of a sudden, it warns you before things get dangerous. Sounds like a science fiction, right? But artificial intelligence is already making this possible. But the question is, can you really trust it? Is it safe for your health? That's why I request your attention on this matter, okay? Let us dive in right away. Hello, it is Nicholas, your blood pressure pharmacist. Today, we are diving into a hot topic, very hot indeed. AI and cuffless blood pressure monitoring. You will learn how these devices actually work, whether they are accurate and safe, and what doctors think about them, okay? And how they may change the way you manage hypertension forever. Stick with me until the end. I'll also share my pharmacist verdict on whether you should rely on them right now. Well, how does AI measure blood pressure without a cuff? Let us look into this, okay? Traditional monitors squeeze your arm because they need to feel the actual pressure in your arteries. AI-powered devices take a different route. Here is the breakdown. Photoplethysmography, PPG, that green light under your smartwatch. It shines into your skin and measures changes in blood volume with each heartbeat, okay? Is it safe? We will discuss this later on. Number 2, another technique called pulse transit time. Some devices track how long it takes a pulse wave to travel between 2 points, okay? Like your heart and your wrist, okay? Number 3, AI algorithms. These signals are messy and incomplete on their own, okay? AI steps in to learn from thousands of paired readings, that is, actual curve results matched with wearable signals, okay? Over time, the system predicts your blood pressure based on patterns it has seen before. So the device isn't directly measuring your blood pressure, okay? It is making an educated guess using a lot of math and a lot of data, okay? Is it misleading? If so, then that is deadly. But I haven't concluded yet, okay? You'll know my verdict as we continue with this discussion. High blood pressure isn't just numbers. It's about your health, your family, and your future. That's why I only recommend products that are safe, effective, and proven to support better blood pressure health. I have partnered with trusted brands to bring you the very same tools and supplements I trust with my own patients. When you use my affiliate link, you are not just getting a product, you are investing in your health and supporting this channel so I can keep helping more people. Check the link in the description below this video to start today. Now, the big question, accuracy. Let us be real. Accuracy is where most people get nervous, okay? Can you trust AI with something this important? Here is what we know so far. Number 1, some studies show devices getting within positive or negative 5 milligrams per mercury of a standard cuff, which is pretty impressive, okay? Number 2, others show big gaps, especially if the person is moving, has darker skin tones, or if the device hasn't been calibrated to that individual. Did you hear this point? If you didn't get it, replay and be attentive this time, okay? Number 3, calibration is key. Most cuffless systems still need you to check with a regular cuff first to teach the AI your baseline. Without that step, readings can drift way off, okay? This is breathtaking, right? Well, that means, as of today, these AI gadgets are better for spotting trends over time, okay? Like noticing your pressure is slowly climbing rather than giving you a one-off reading your doctor would rely on, okay? Well, let's look at the benefits of AI in blood pressure monitoring. So, why is everyone excited about this technology when it has immense shortfalls? 3 big reasons you may be excited about using AI to monitor your blood pressure include, number 1, convenience. No bulky cuffs, okay? Just glance at your smartwatch or phone. Everyone loves things that are done in easy and faster way, okay? But our bodies are not AI, remember? Number 2, continuous monitoring. Instead of 2 readings a day, AI can give you hundreds, catching patterns like morning surges or nighttime spikes. Number 3, early warnings. AI can analyze trends and flag early signs of hypertension or alert you if there is dangerous spikes before you feel any symptoms. Amazing, right? For millions of people who don't even know they have high blood pressure, that could be life-saving, okay? This is the best one, right? But not yet. This point may be neutralized with what you are about to hear next, okay? Sometimes, managing blood pressure is not about more medicine. It is about having the right support and the right questions to ask your doctor. That's why I'm offering one-on-one consultations. In these sessions, I'll listen to your struggles, reassure you, and guide you on what to ask your physician so you get the best care possible. Think of it as having a pharmacy professional in your corner who is helping you to make sense of it all. Book your consultation today and let's walk this journey together, okay? To book this consultation, click the link in the description below this video. I will be glad and more happy to assist you. See you there. Suddenly, here comes the risks and limitations. As it is normal, nothing is perfect on this earth. But this should not be an excuse for dangerous mistakes made by AI in monitoring your blood pressure, okay? Because you live once and any slight mistake in your health is a recipe for disaster. Anyhow, here are the red flags you need to know about using artificial intelligence gadgets in monitoring your blood pressure, okay? Number 1, false security. If a device tells you your blood pressure is fine when it's actually high, you may delay treatment. There you go, very deadly. Number 2, data privacy. These devices collect health data that may be stored in the cloud. Can you trust it with such private and sensitive information? Not even to think who can access this information, okay? Number 3, over-monitoring anxiety. Checking your blood pressure too often, even with AI, can make some people more stressed, which ironically raises blood pressure, which in turn can be controlled under professional guidance and reassurance, okay? Number 4, these AI gadgets are not yet standardized. Regulatory approval is still catching up. The FDA and other agencies are cautious, which is good, okay? But it means most devices are still considered wellness tools, not medical grade monitors, okay? Did you get it right? Trust your cuff BP machine, okay? Now, let me give you my own opinion as well as what doctors and experts are saying in regard to monitoring your blood pressure with AI gadgets, okay? Cardiologists and hypertension specialists are cautiously optimistic, okay? Many agree that AI-powered monitoring could be a game changer for managing blood pressure on a population level. But they emphasize it should complement medical care, not replace it, okay? Professional guidelines still recommend validated cuff-based monitors for diagnosis and medication adjustment. AI tools are being encouraged for research, lifestyle tracking, and patient engagement, but not as a substitute for gold standard measurements. Guess my opinion. I agree with what the experts are saying. It's 100% true. Just to reiterate, I recommend validated cuff-based monitors for diagnosis and medication adjustments. For the AI tools, let us preserve them for research, lifestyle tracking, and patient engagement, but not as a substitute for usual gold standard measurements. That is it, okay? Millions struggle with blood pressure because they are missing key strategies. In my course, The Blood Pressure Blueprint, I break it all down simply so you finally know what works. Inside, you discover step-by-step guidance on the best natural approaches, safe lifestyle changes, and the medical strategies doctors rely on. They are all brought together in one easy-to-follow course. It doesn't matter whether you are newly diagnosed or simply want better long-term control over your blood pressure. This blueprint is designed to give you clarity, confidence, and results. Check the link in the description section below and start your journey to healthier numbers today. See you there. Fast forward a few years from now, the use of AI monitoring blood pressure is encouraging, okay? Here is what may happen in future. Number 1, your smartwatch will constantly track blood pressure and share it securely with your healthcare provider. Point number 2, AI apps may begin coaching you in real time. You may receive an alert such as this after enjoying your favorite meal. Too much sodium today, Nicholas. Your pressure just spiked, which to me is a positive contribution. Number 3, predictive models in AI could warn you months in advance if you are on path to stroke or heart attack. That's amazing, okay? This is welcomed. It can really save many lives. So that's the vision, and honestly, we are closer than you think. Can AI measure your blood pressure without a cuff? Yes, but with important limitations. Today, it works best for spotting patterns, not replacing your home monitor or your doctor's advice. We are still essential in your life, okay? Don't trust AI more than us, the medical professionals. My advice is, if you are curious, try it out, but always double check with a validated cuff and share your readings with a healthcare professional. That's why we are here. The technology is promising, but your health deserves accuracy above all else, okay? If you found this breakdown helpful, share this video so that others can benefit. Hit that subscribe button for more pharmacist-backed insights on blood pressure, medications, and natural strategies. And to boost this video in reaching many people, give it a thumbs up, okay? Don't click away just yet. Let me know, will you trust AI to monitor your blood pressure, or do you feel safe sticking with old-fashioned cuff? Drop your answer in the comments below, okay? I'll be replying to as many as I can. Thanks for your support and see you in another video. Stay blessed and bye.